The DJI Inspire 3 was spotted out in the wild. Let's talk about it. What's going on, guys? It's Anthony with Ant's Drone, and in today's video we're going to be talking about the DJI Inspire 3. Now, we have not seen the Inspire series upgraded since November of 2016 with the DJI Inspire 2. Now, part of the reason why it's probably been so long is because this drone had the ability, or I should say has the ability, to change out and swap cameras. And the Inspire 2 has a very solid structure. It's a very solid drone, so I could see why there might not be a reason to update it so quickly. But 2016 was like 5 years ago, probably even longer than that now, 6 years ago. Wow, that's crazy. We definitely are in need of a new Inspire series drone, so it's cool to see that this one has leaked out there in the wild, and we now have a picture of what it could look like, even though it doesn't give us a lot of information. I'll read a little bit of this article from Haya Costello with Drone XL. Today, another leaked DJI Inspire 3 photo was shared on Twitter by Deals Drone. The increase in leaked photos for both the DJI Avata and the Inspire 3 should indicate that a release date will be soon. We will keep a close eye on the FCC database to see if the DJI Inspire shows up. FCC filings are a good indicator of the upcoming product releases. Typically, when a new DJI drone shows up in the database, we know that the launch is only a few weeks away. This part of the article says the DJI Inspire 3 is expected to offer the DJI Zenmuse X9 full-frame camera, which was first introduced on the DJI Ronin 4D. So this camera offers you Cinecore 3.0, internal recording of Apple ProRes RAW, ProRes 422 HQ, and H.264 video, supports up to 8K at 75 frames per second and 4K at 120 frames per second video recording, 14 plus stops of dynamic range, built-in ND filters, and interchangeable lenses. So this is all really exciting for filmmakers and photographers that are on a super pro level. I have never owned an Inspire myself. The most expensive drone I've owned is definitely this Mavic 3 up here. But anyway, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you liked today's video, please give it a thumbs up, and also make sure to hit the subscribe button and notification bell. That way you don't miss any of the new content here on the channel. But until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video.